Here I have VIVO V5 Plus, and let me show you how to set up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the welcome panel to help set up your phone right here. Here you have to choose your desired language. As you can see, this is the full list of available languages that you can use on that device. So in my case, let me leave English. Let's choose your region. It could be India in my case. Here let me tap agree to the following agreements. The phone is looking for an available Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, you can skip this point, but I usually recommend having some internet access, so let me do it. Let's just enter the password. Alright, so here you need to tap connect. The phone is looking for any available updates. The device is checking connection, and now you can sign in into the Google account. So it's not necessary, you can bypass this step, but I usually recommend this. The Google account enables a few interesting stuff. So let me connect my Google account. Let's tap next. And it's time to enter the password. So let me enter the password. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose here next one more time. Let's tap I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. The phone is checking info and getting account information. So here we've got some Google services. Let me enable to backup to Google Drive. Let me also leave enabled helps app find your location, improve location accuracy, and send system data. Basically, let me leave everything as it was in the default configuration. Here let me also tap next to this account and synchronization. Tap next again. And tap use now. The phone is loading the home screen. Let's wait a couple of seconds, and now you can use your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.